This video is part of a series of videos on the MCESG Training and Readiness Manual, commonly referred to as the T&R Manual. In this video, we are going to discuss the purpose of the T&R Manual, how it is organized, and why it is used, and begin discussing the sequence, structure, and contents of training events. Be sure to check out all the videos in the T&R Manual series to fully understand how to utilize and optimize this tool. A balanced training program is the best strategy for preparing units for combat. As the unit's training and readiness level increases, so does its ability to accomplish real-world missions. The MCESG T&R Manual is the primary tool for planning, conducting, and evaluating training, and assessing a unit's combat readiness based on the training accomplished. The most recent T&R Manual was approved by TCOM and officially released on the 16th of August, 2018. To understand how to use the T&R Manual, you must first understand the basics. The T&R Manual is designed for use by unit commanders who are responsible for ensuring operational readiness through effective training and planning. It is a fundamental tool for unit commanders to use to build and maintain unit combat readiness. The T&R Manual outlines both individual and collective training required by personnel assigned to MSG detachments, as well as HNS Company, MSOW, and the regions. The individual and collective training requirements found in the T&R Manual relate directly to the Core Capability Mission Essential Task Lists, or METLs, for ground communities. METLs are derived from the Marine Corps Task List. Now that you are clear the T&R Manual outlines individual and collective training requirements for multiple communities within MCESG, let's discuss when each training event should occur. Any individual training requirement is expected to be taught to the Marines during MSG school. Individual training events and the mastery of individual core skills serve as the building blocks for unit combat readiness. Additionally, there are 3 individual training requirements specific to detachment commanders, including conducting administrative control of a detachment, leading a detachment during operations, and establishing observation or defensive positions. Collective training requirements focus on the unit level and are indicated using a numeric code. Levels of collective training include the detachment team, detachment, region, or group. Implementing 3,000 and 4,000 level collective training events, ensuring the unit is meeting training requirements, and ensuring the unit is ready to complete their mission is the ongoing responsibility of the unit commander. Within the T&R Manual, individual and collective training requirements are translated into individual or collective training events. A training event is a significant training occurrence that is identified, expanded, and used as a building block and potential milestone for a unit's training. Next, let's take a closer look at training event coding. Training events use a simplified coding system, allowing units to sort through training events and quickly identify community, duty area, and level of training. All training events are numbered and logically arranged from individual to collective, and when implemented into training plans, provide a building block training approach designed to prepare Marines for their combat mission. Let's take a look at an example. MSGD TAC C2 TAC 3001 is a detachment team level command and control training requirement that applies to the MSG detachment. If we break down the code, the first characters indicate the community the training event applies to. In addition to the MSGD, the community may also be group, region, or MSOW. The second set of characters in the code represents the duty area. In addition to command and control, other duty areas include finance, logistics, medical, and training. The final set of characters provides the level at which the training event is accomplished and also identifies the numerical sequencing of the event. For example, there are 9 response team training events required for the MSG detachment. These events start at MSGD, TAC RESP, TAC 3001, and run through 3009. Then the next level starts. Review Chapter 1, Paragraph 1005, and Chapter 3, Paragraph 3001 of the T&R Manual to learn even more about training event coding. We've reached the end of this video. By now you should have a strong understanding of the purpose of the T&R Manual, a high-level understanding of how it is organized and why it is used, and an introductory look at the sequence, structure, and contents of training events. In subsequent videos, we will take a deeper dive into training events and discuss how the T&R Manual should be used by unit commanders.